Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, November 1st. We are looking at Window Traders' market profile of the ES and SPY. And what turned out early in the day to be an exciting day turned into a huge yawner after C period. Had a very good morning, though. Took only 2 trades in the afternoon, which paid. To be honest with you, there wasn't another trade in the afternoon I really would have wanted. We'll go over everything quickly. Bottom line is this, though. We have a trend day down. Even though it's a nice clear B shape for long liquidation, it is a trend day for both ES, SPY, and an outside day down. Now, how much does an outside day down mean with the Fed tomorrow? Probably not as much as it usually would. Triple Q is also a trend day down, although a B shape with an outside day down. Russell, on the other hand, did nothing. Russell ends 9 wide, afternoon rally high in H, as they basically had overlapping high of value all day, and they took out yesterday's high. We have afternoon rally highs in F and ES and SPY. Our value ended totally lower on the day. Volume, though, is most likely going to be below average. We end with a 11 wide point of control. For the most part, over literally almost 5 hours, we traded in under $1 range. Look at this. This is where all the volume was packed in. There was nothing here. But early on, it was very nice. Now, I wanted to take a short in A period right away on the opening because I thought they would fill the monthly gap. Keep in mind, we had a monthly and a daily gap this morning, only to give it all back, rip low with $7 in an hour and a half, and then trade sideways. So I thought we would fill the monthly gap. So I tried to short it. There was one problem. I didn't have my account up and running, so I missed it. But I did take a short to fill the gap later in the time frame. Thank goodness. Then B ripped lower. Remember what we said in this morning's video. Any acceptance into yesterday's value, you're going to get 13 wide. What I was surprised about is we blew through 13 wide without stopping. Thought that would be a speed bump. So I didn't do anything until basically right above yesterday's low, took a long the first time, which paid. Then after that, I just shorted B's low on any push up 3 times. Shorted C 3 times. Shorted D 2 times. And then in D, when it looked like they might fill the single prints, actually took a long. Thank goodness I took a quick couple of points out of it because it rolled over. That was, I made bank in B, C, and D. Then there wasn't much. Got a nice short in F when they pushed it up right before I went to get my lunch. And then in H period, I took a short the first time against FSI, which worked out nice. I had no intention, no desire for a long down here. A couple of times I was thinking about a short, but as it got later in the day, I thought maybe they take out F's high. So I was like, if I'm going to take a short in KRL, it's going to be above F. Didn't happen, didn't take it. So that was it. But it turned out to be a really, really good day. Very happy. As far as destinations, for the upside, we have 11 wide at 384.75. I can't read my own writing. Yep, that's 384.75 in SPY. 386.02 FSI is the afternoon rally high. Single print started 386.67 and get filled at 387.74. It's a decent set. And then today's high of 390.39. We traded above 390 in SPY for the first time since I think it was September 21st. Spent 0 time there. Downside, 383.29 today's low, and then 379.67 daily low. I did ask the room, do we think we take back today's trend day prior to 2 p.m.'s Fed? That would mean testing 3,900 again. Something tells me we might, but I'm not 100% sure. For the upside in ES, 67.50, 11 wide, 80 and a quarter afternoon rally high. Single print started 86.75, get filled at 97.50, and today's high of 24.25. And for the downside in ES, we have today's low of 52.50 and then a daily low of 16.50. And then on the chart, just quickly, just going to show you SPY. So the monthly came into balance. Now, somebody asked me in my room, is it a 2 or 3 month balance? Well, it's really early in the month, But since last month and this month have been inside of September pretty good, I'll call it a 3-month balance for now. Okay, so right now, the bulls did put the monthly into balance. Look at the trend line though. We got above it in October a little bit. Look at November so far. Weekly is still up. One time framing up 3 weeks. And the daily back into balance. We had an inside day up that failed, an inside day down that paid, but really traded sideways. So to me, it's firmly a balance. Again, I'd call it probably a 6-day balance, right? Because that low is not that much further away from this low. So to me, it's a 6-day balance for now. We're above the 50 by $2. So we'll see if we hold that tomorrow. We should get some good fireworks come 2 p.m. We'll discuss that in tomorrow morning's video. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this YouTube channel. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.